Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your interest. Get ready to decode those secret signals because we're talking about the signs that she can't hide her desire for you anymore. We're talking about those little tells, those subtle and not so subtle hints that she's totally into you. So if you've ever found yourself wondering, does she like me or are we just really good at making awkward eye contact? Well, stick around because I've got your back. Let's unravel this mystery together. 1. It's more than just staring. All right, let's start with the basics. Eye contact. It's the window to the soul, right? But it's also a super highway straight to flirt town. If she's holding your gaze a little longer than usual, like she's trying to memorize your face, that's a sign, people. It's like she's saying, "You're interesting, I like what I see, tell me more." And you know what makes it even better? When she breaks eye contact with a little smile, maybe a shy look away. Oh, it's on. That's like a secret signal flare saying, okay, I know you caught me looking, but I kind of liked it. But here's the thing about eye contact. It's all about balance, folks. Keep it light, keep it playful, and let those eyes do the talking. Sometimes the most powerful communication happens without saying a single word. 2. Totally meant that. Okay, let's talk about touch. No, not in a weird way. I'm talking about those accidental brushes, those light touches that send shivers down your spine. Because let me tell you, a woman who's into you will find any excuse to get a little closer. She might laugh and touch your arm during a joke, or accidentally graze your hand while reaching for something. And you know what? Sometimes it's not an accident at all. She's testing the waters, seeing how you react to her touch. Physical touch is a powerful thing. It creates a connection, a sense of intimacy that goes beyond words. So if she's finding excuses to touch you, it's a surefire sign that she's feeling something special. 3. Even the bad ones. You know what they say, laughter is the best medicine. But it's also the sweetest sound in the world when it comes from someone you like. And let me tell you, if a woman is constantly laughing at your jokes, even the ones that would make a pigeon groan, she's definitely into you. I mean, come on, we all know when a joke is bad. But when she's smitten, suddenly every cheesy pun and dad joke you tell becomes comedy gold. She's not just laughing at the joke, she's laughing because she enjoys your company, your sense of humor, your whole vibe. Laughter creates a bond, a shared moment of joy and connection. So if she's giggling at your jokes, even the ones that would make a stand-up comedian cringe, take it as a compliment. 4. She just wants to chat with you. Let's talk about communication, folks. Because in the game of love, it's not just about the words you say. It's about the effort you put into saying them. And if a woman is going out of her way to initiate conversations with you, to keep those conversations flowing, she's sending a clear message. She's interested. Think about it. We're all busy, we all have things going on. But when you're into someone, you make time for them. You find those little pockets in your day to reach out, to connect, to learn more about them. So if she's texting you first, striking up conversations in person, asking you questions about your day, it's not just because she's bored. It's because she genuinely wants to talk to you, to hear what you have to say, to be a part of your world. And you know what makes it even better? When she really listens to your answers, when she remembers the little details you've shared, that's next-level interest, my friends. 5. She sees the best in you. Okay, let's talk about compliments. Because everyone loves a good ego boost, right? But when those compliments are coming from someone you like, they take on a whole new meaning. And let me tell you, if a woman is constantly complimenting you, it's a surefire sign that she's smitten. Compliments are a way of expressing admiration, of letting you know that she sees the best in you. So if she's showering you with compliments, soak them up. It's her way of saying, I like you, I think you're special, and I want you to know it. 6. She's subconsciously syncing up with you. Have you ever noticed how, when you're really vibing with someone, you start to unconsciously mimic their movements? You cross your legs when they do, you take a sip of your drink at the same time. It's like you're two peas in a pod. Well, that's called mirroring, and it's a powerful sign of attraction. When we're attracted to someone, we subconsciously want to create a sense of connection and rapport. And one way we do that is by subtly mirroring their body language, their tone of voice, even their breathing patterns. So if you notice that she's mirroring your gestures, her posture, even the way she tilts her head when she's listening to you, it's a huge sign that she's feeling it. Mirroring is a fascinating aspect of human behavior, and it often happens without us even realizing it. So pay attention to how she moves and how she interacts with you. 7. Jealousy isn't cute, but it can be a tell. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Jealousy. It's not the most attractive quality, but let's be real. A little bit of jealousy can actually be a sign that she's really into you. Keyword, a little bit. Now, I'm not talking about possessive, controlling behavior. That's never okay. But if she seems a little bit bothered when you're flirting with other women, or when you mention a female friend, it could be a sign that she sees you as more than just a friend. Think about it. We don't get jealous of things we don't care about. So if she's feeling a twinge of jealousy, it means she's invested in you. She sees you as someone special, and she doesn't want to lose you to someone else. But here's the thing about jealousy. It needs to be handled with care. Healthy jealousy is about expressing her feelings in a mature and respectful way. So if you notice a hint of jealousy, don't freak out. Just reassure her that you're interested in her and that you value her feelings. 8. Looking good, feeling good, hoping you notice. They say that the way we dress is a form of self-expression. And when a woman is putting in extra effort with her appearance around you, it's a clear sign that she wants to impress you. Think about it. We all have those days when we roll out of bed and throw on whatever's clean, but when we're trying to impress someone, we up our game. We choose our outfits carefully, we style our hair, we might even break out the good perfume. So if she's suddenly rocking a new outfit, a killer hairstyle, or a bold lip color when she knows she's going to see you, it's not a coincidence. It's a sign that she cares about what you think and that she wants to catch your eye. It's about taking the time to present her best self because she wants you to see her in the best possible light. So if you notice that she's putting in a little extra effort with her appearance when she's around you, it's a sweet sign that she's trying to impress you. 9. Vulnerability is the key to connection. Let's talk about vulnerability, folks. It's not always easy to let someone see our true selves, flaws and all. But when we share our deepest thoughts, our fears, our dreams with someone, it creates a powerful bond. And when a woman starts to open up to you, to share her secrets, her vulnerabilities, it's a sign that she trusts you, she values your opinion, and she sees you as someone she can be herself around. It might start small. Maybe she shares a funny story from her childhood, or a secret fear she's never told anyone before. But as she gets to know you better, and as she feels more comfortable, those secrets might become deeper, more personal. And here's the thing about vulnerability. It's a two-way street. When she opens up to you, it's an invitation for you to do the same, to let down your guard, to share your own vulnerabilities. So, if she's sharing her secrets with you, it's a huge compliment. It means she sees you as someone she can trust with her heart. 10. Her schedule says it all. You know what they say, actions speak louder than words. And when it comes to relationships, one of the most telling actions is how someone prioritizes their time. Because let's face it, we make time for the things that are important to us. So if she's constantly finding ways to spend more time with you, rearranging her schedule, canceling other plans, it's a clear sign that she's prioritizing you. It means that being with you is more important to her than almost anything else. And it's not just about grand gestures, folks. It's about the little things. Maybe she suggests grabbing coffee after work or invites you to join her for a walk in the park. When someone is genuinely interested in you, they make an effort. They go out of their way to see you, to spend time with you. So, pay attention to how she manages her time. Does she seem genuinely excited to see you? If the answer is yes, then congratulations. You're a priority in her life. 11. Go get 'em, tiger. But be cool about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have you noticed any of these signs in your own experiences? Share your stories in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Remember, understanding these signs is just the first step. The most important thing is to communicate openly and honestly with each other. See you next time.